This is Reisemobil Manufaktur. This is their RSG 596 van. It is based on the Volkswagen Crafter, 3.5 ton gross vehicle weight. It's a 2 litre TDI, 130 horsepower. This van in this conversion will cost you nearly 76,000. It was built last year. It's got 1,000 kilometers on the clock. Now the point of slightly used, very slightly used, is that at least hopefully some of the problems may have been ironed out. You give it a test run. I think that's a pretty good idea. I know that people say, oh, I want a new used car, but you know, give it a test. Somebody else is doing the test, somebody else is finding the problems. That makes sense. In fact, if I were ever to go into this business, and I think there's a reasonable possibility that that might happen, I certainly would be delivering vehicles that have been tested. Well, that's what I say now when it's not realistic. When it becomes realistic, yeah, I may say something totally different. Here, as you come in, you've got a mosquito net, and you've got up here another one. Separate mosquito nets. How often do you see that? I've never seen it during so far. I think that's a pretty good idea. Right, and let's have a look inside. 2 seats up front. I've got people here wanting to get into the van, so it's going to be difficult for me to do any filming. Right, so you've got a lounge at the back, sort of a British type layout, if you like. I'm sure you can make a bed out of that as well, which is the point. You've got the table there. You've got windows all the way around. Here you've got 2 burners and a sink. And if that's, you haven't got a lot of space here actually to do your food, obviously. It's only a small van, isn't it? You can do it at the table or on this thing here. What do you call that? Extension. A step there as you go to the back. You've got, okay, bitte nicht betreten, so I won't. Don't come in. Don't step. Don't step. But you can see that the toilet, actually, for such a small van, is relatively large. You've also got a bar up there to hang your socks on, which is useful. I shall be washing mine tonight whilst I'm still on this site to make sure I've got plenty for the rest of the term. Right, VW. Let's have a quick sit down. You've got there a curtain which comes across. So anyway, that's a quick look at this van. Let's now have a walk out. See people coming in to here, so I can't really film properly. I'm doing my best. This is the last day. Anyway, good. So you can see there you've got a conversion idea on a Volkswagen. Well, let's have a walk on the outside while we have a look at the decals. Last year they had a couple of annuals they've done the decals in, which was quite I thought it was outstanding. A friend of mine said no, he didn't like it at all, so depends what you want really. It certainly looks better than what I'm trying to do with my van by putting stickers on the side. Follow the waves, California, surfing Santa Cruz. Right, so there you have it, all the way around the outside. And I'll try and do some of these others if I can. But it might be difficult.